everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deborah Cameron, and today we're going to be practicing the second of the 6 healing sounds, the kidney sound. Now, the kidneys are the water element in nature. They either can be warm and flowing like a stream, or they can ice up and become rigid with fear, with anxiety, fight or flight, nervous tension, fear of the unknown. And yes, at this time of COVID-19, we may very well be experiencing these emotions. And so this practice, as I mentioned with the lung healing sound, teaches you how to become the alchemist, turning lead to gold. And in this case, fear and anxiety to that of peace, joy, and tranquility. As we discussed in the first video, this practice focuses on posture, color, and sound. The Taoist masters wisely shared with us that the color and sound are vibrational frequency. And they travel right into the memory of the kidneys to help the kidneys respond and relax. And so the sound is like that of a wave. If we think of the ocean and the beautiful, beautiful waves moving into shore, they move in and they move out. And so the sound is C-H-E-W-E. Tummy out, breath in. I think you'll find that the sound alone calms you greatly. The posture, you have your feet out in front, and in the warm-up exercises, we practice the wall posture. So it's very similar. Feet out, hands to the knees, tummy to the lap, rolling the shoulders forward. You want to round the small of your back and look straight ahead, not down, but straight ahead. And when we finish the breath and the sound, you can lower your head and roll up safely, one vertebrae at a time. So now, I'd like you to close your eyes and bring yourself to the beach and the ocean. And take in the sounds around you. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. You can hear the seagulls in the background. And off the ocean, there's a beautiful casting blue light. And you're feeling with this blue light the sense of peace, joy, and tranquility. And so now, with your feet out in front of you, I want you to breathe in that blue light deep into your kidneys, deep into your kidneys. And on the out breath, both eyes open, rolling forward. Rolling up. One vertebrae at a time. bringing yourself into stillness, letting your mind step aside and simply be with your breath and the healing sound. Tummy out and breath in. Eyes open, rolling forward, looking straight ahead, eyes open. Smiling in. Feeling the peace. So on the out breath and with the sound, you're expelling the anxiety and the stress. So let's do that once again. This time, instead of sending the lower frequency energy to the universe, we're sending it to the earth, because both the universe and the earth know instinctively how to transmute this lower frequency energy to a higher. This is where the alchemy comes into play with the healing sounds. Tummy out, breath in. Give your kidneys a massage, a well-deserved massage. And just to remind you, the lungs support the kidneys. The lungs, as we discussed in the last video, can hold grief and sadness, as they also can be translated into that of joy and laughter. The lungs support the kidneys in the body. So if we're sad and depressed, the kidneys are not receiving the energy that they need, and anxiety will kick in. So these healing sounds are powerful for moving depression and anxiety. In the next video, we will be studying the liver sound. And very much like the other, both the lung and the kidney sound, we're going to be the alchemist moving lower frequency emotion of anger, rage, hostility, frustration, irritability, jealousy, and mostly self-judgment. Lower frequency to the higher frequency of acceptance, forgiveness, and kindness. So once again, this has been my pleasure presenting to you the kidney sound, the second in the 6 healing sounds of my series. I hope you can join me next time. Thank you for joining me. Happy Chi.